wintertime, I'm always way less productive than usual with the time change and it getting dark at like 4 p.m. It's just really hard for me to make every day count. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I've been staying productive this winter and how I romanticize this time of year. I think the biggest change for me this season is I've been getting up way earlier. Because of the time change, as I said, it gets dark so early, so my day goes by in like 2 seconds. So I've been waking up at like 7 or 8 every morning, and it's been so nice because I actually feel like I have the day and I get to do stuff. So this morning I woke up at 7, I took a shower, washed my hair, got ready, and now I have the entire day to go. So this morning I'm meeting up with my friend Zhirelle. We're going out to breakfast. I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in forever. We are going to a little cafe. I'm gonna get coffee and breakfast, and then there's also a market right next door. So I'm so excited to do a little bit of shopping for some cute things, and I feel like this is gonna be the perfect start to my day. So I ended up finding the cutest things at that little market, and the breakfast was so good. So I'm gonna go inside and show you guys what I got. I feel like one of the good things about the holidays and this time of year is pretty much all my friends are back from school for the holidays. So I get to see my friends a lot more. It's just hard during the school year to see them all the time because everyone's like on their own schedule. But for the holidays, usually everyone comes home. So being able to meet up with everyone is so nice. All right, let's go inside. These are so cute. I just got back to my apartment. It is 10:30, and I also straightened my hair because this morning I got up and showered and washed my hair, so I didn't have time to do this in the morning. I literally showed up to that cafe with wet hair. So I got home and I was like, I need to finish getting ready for the rest of the day. So I straightened it, and I also made another cup of coffee because one is not enough on days that I wake up at 7 a.m. I want to give you guys a haul of the stuff that I bought at that market today, but I really need to clean this background first. So I'm gonna put on some music, clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna give you guys a haul. What a huge difference. I literally just cleaned this kitchen for like an hour. I was not expecting to do that, but it feels so good to have it all done. I think it was the 2 cups of coffee. It just made me so productive. It just like clears my head a little bit to have my space clean. So I feel like that's been a huge part of how I stay productive, because a clean space is a clean mind. I lit this kitchen candle as a reward to myself for finishing off the kitchen. So please ignore my dishwasher in the background. I did my part and now it needs to do its part. So I want to show you guys what I got today. I literally was not expecting there to be a super cute market next to this cafe. So I was like, oh my God, this is perfect for this video. I love going to little things like that and supporting small businesses. And I feel like I always find the cutest things there. So to start, I've always wanted to get a bundle of eucalyptus. So I was so excited to see all of these. I got this for $7 plus a lavender satchel. It's like tied to it down here, so I'm not gonna get it out. But I got both of those for $7. I'm so excited to try this. I've seen a lot of pictures on Pinterest that people hang it like upside down in their shower. I'm so excited to unwrap this. Actually, I don't want to unwrap this because it looks so good. She's like, do you want it gift wrapped? I was like, yes, because it's a present to myself. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to find little Christmas gifts. I just started getting gifts for my family and friends. So this one is going to be a gift for my mom. I want to show you guys, but mom, if you're watching right now, click off this video because you got to wait till Christmas. This is the cutest wall hanging crystal handmade. I don't know. It's so cute. I bought something like this on Etsy and I thought it was so perfect, but then I saw this one with a strawberry and all of the wires and then this crystal at the bottom, which is so nice for in the window. Lastly, there was like a little crystal booth, so you know I had to get something. But I found these. They're clear quartz crystals with some beads and wire on these hair clips. Something really cute so the crystal hangs. One of the good parts about waking up early too is I feel like I've had a full day and it's not even noon yet. See, there's my lavender bag. In my third Moving Diaries episode, I put up these shower shelves and I love them. They made such a difference in here. So I feel like it's only fitting to put the eucalyptus in the shower so it's the complete self-care experience. I'm gonna be filming a lot of self-care videos this month, as I usually do. So I feel like this will be so fun to try. So we're gonna try it in the shower now. I unwrapped this. I also rolled it out because apparently you're supposed to do that. It's so pretty. I just love how it looks. I am so excited to try this. It makes me want to shower right now. In my slippers, by the way. Wow, it is such a perfect day. Someone should count the amount of times I've changed my clothes in this video. I think I'm on like outfit 4, and this is so realistic because pretty much every day I change for every occasion. I literally just always want to be comfortable, but at the same time I want to change during my videos and wear my cute clothes, but then I want to change back into my comfy clothes. So now we're on this outfit, and this is the comfiest yet, so I think this will be the last of today. I have spent literally all day inside, as I usually do. I feel like that becomes my routine. And especially this time of year, as it gets colder, I do not want to go outside. I'm making it a challenge this season to try and go outside every single day. And I know that is such an interesting challenge, but this time of year, I feel like I never go outside enough. It'll always be like a couple days at a time that I don't leave my apartment. And my family will be like, how's the weather at your apartment? And I'm like, I have no idea because I haven't gone outside all week. So especially at my new apartment now, living by the beach and next to the harbor, it's so pretty. Like, I want to be outside, and it's a really nice reset. I feel way more productive when I go home after being out. So I went on a little walk. I literally have my slippers on. So this winter, I encourage you guys all to do something outside every day, whether it be going on a walk or just to look at the sunset. God, this little like motivational message reminds me so much of when Disney Channel or Nickelodeon or one of those would put like the message on your TV screen like once a month or something, and it was like, time to go outside. Oh my God, I hated that. I got so pissed because it would like interrupt my show, and it's like, this is your hour of play, and that's what it was called. And I was like, I don't want to go outside. I turned on my TV for a reason. We're doing white tonight. Oh, I haven't showed you guys our tree yet. The lights make it all weird, but it looks so pretty. We need to get some ornaments on here, but it looks so cute in here in the living room. I feel like this is the perfect spot for it. so exhausted. Today ended up being such a long day, but I got so much work done. I was literally editing like pretty much all day, so I tried to make this video work, but these daily uploads are hard because I have so much to edit. So I think this video came out pretty cute. It was really fun to do a vlog, but I am going to end today's upload with my advent calendar. For each of these daily December uploads, I'm opening an advent calendar door at the end of every video so we can count down December together. So today was the 5th. I can't believe we're already almost through the entire first week of this month. So let's open up the 5th door. Here is the chocolate for today. We already have 5 of these doors open, so definitely check out all of my daily uploads I've posted this December. This was episode 5. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Mwah.